Today we'll be doing part 2 of a dance piece called Warrior. Let's get started. This was our last position, right? Then from here, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, up, down. Again. 5, 6, 7, and back, back, and 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, up, down. Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, and 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, and back, back, down, and stop. Last time. 5, 6, 7, and da 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 da, back, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. From this position. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. We will start from this movement down till the end. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, turn, and 1, 2, up, up, 1, down, 1, leg up, down, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, down, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, down. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.